I always want to do this. Like this. This is our 1998 Chevrolet Corvette C5, what we specifically purchased to make our own wide-body kit, and is why you still can see all these markers from 3D scanning, which have to be removed and cleaned. I know it's not in the best shape, but we were looking for cheapest one on marketplace, and we find this baby. So the seller told us the car has small electrical issues, so we can't really test it. But trust me, the engine and transmission in good shape, and we took his word for it. A little nervous to sit here because I just saw the Scorpion here, and I don't know where he went. So, but now I want to show you how the good condition engine sounds like. So we fixed all electrical issues. We had to charge the battery overnight because it was completely dead yesterday. So we will try one more time to start this car. It's running. It's make noise, but it's running. You could hear the engine noise. It doesn't sound very well. So now we have to decide if we need to rebuild this engine or to swap to another one. And let's see. So, but we try to film every step until this car will ready to car show. And so stay tuned.